Hey guys, Ryan, and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video on the Arbsession ROPEtote. The Arbsession ROPEtote has been made with some pretty heavy-duty 900 denier fabric. It is reinforced on the bottom, reinforced in the handles, and it also stands up on its own, making it much easier to flake rope into it. There's a heavy-duty apron that you can easily fold out and around the outside to keep it tucked in out of the way, but then easily pull it back up, pull the drawstring, and help protect whatever's inside your bag. The ROPEtote has a 28-liter capacity, which can easily hold 250 feet of half-inch rope, or pretty much all the gear you need for the day. As mentioned before, I've got the drawstring open, and on the inside here I have a hard hat, throw line, throw cube, beefy harness, and 150 feet of 11/7 rope. The exterior of the ROPEtote has a daisy chain rack here that we can stow some additional gear. The exterior of the bag is not only heavy duty, but it also is tear and abrasion resistant. And if it gets a little dirty, it's pretty easy just to splash a little bit of water on there and clean this thing up. You'll be able to find your Arbsession ROPEtote at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.